huge increases for Roth contributions this year, 2023. New IRS rules came out. My man Kenny sent this to me. Much obliged, Kenny. 401k limits increases to 22,500 for 2023, and IRA limits rise to 6,500. So you can you can contribute $37,500 if you're over 50 into a Roth. Check this out. The IRS announced today that the amount individuals can contribute to the 401k plans is increased to $22,500, which is a 10% increase from 2022. This will be for 2023, by the way. The plan on annual contributions increases $6,500. All right, so that's if you're for everybody. But if you're over the age of 50, you can put another $7,500 into your Roth 401k. So $7,500 plus $2,250 is $30,000. Oh, they even said it right there. If you're over the age of 50, you can put another. Let's see. Yeah, the IRA catch up for individuals over 50 is still $1,000. You can put another $1,000 on top of $6,500. That's $37,500. And they talk about tax deductions. We're not, look, some people need tax deductions. I don't want to talk about that because, again, we're trying to remove one of the biggest cash outflow items when you retire. And one of the biggest ones is going to be taxes. So we're trying to remove that. Pay the tax now, we got the money to pay it, is what I've always said. And as such, you just say, okay, I'm going to put my money into my pre-tax, my post-tax 401k, my Roth 401k. The company, if they match, hopefully they do, they'll put in my pre-tax. That will be further tax in the future, but my own contributions won't be. I'm going to put the $7,500 into my Roth IRA. That will forever be tax-free as well. But I can take the tax deduction. The vast majority of us are not in a tax bracket above 22%. And as such, take the freaking hit, man. Now, take the pain. Hey, Big Harold. That's from Platoon, one of my favorite movies. Take the pain. That's what the guy says. Hey, Big Harold. What does he say? I can't remember. Anyway, you know what I'm talking about. There's a medic says, Big Harold, blah, blah, blah. And then the sergeant, Barn says, take the pain. So take the hit now. Man, look at that. You could put $37,000 into your Roth in 2023. That's freaking nuts, dudes. Nuts. Pay the tax now so you don't have to over your head later on. I'm telling you, I've been doing this for a long, long time, guys. Reduce the taxes in the future. Pay it now. But the spreadsheet, I get it 100%. And you don't have, I'm not here to convince you. I'm not here. I'm here to tell you there's a different way to look at this. And I'm just telling you, of all the people I dealt with financial plans, the one issue I have to contend with is the taxes. One of the biggest line items of cash outflows in retirement is taxes. And I don't care how much money you got. If you're in the deferred accounts, you can't get away from having to pay taxes. And if you got no money, you don't have a pot to pee in, except you got $1 million in a deferred IRA, deferred accounts, and you got to take $100,000 out, you have $100,000 of taxable income. There's no two ways around that, which means you're going to be in the 22% tax bracket. Now, that's not, I mean, I get standard deduction, all that, I get all that. But I'm just saying you're going to be in the 22% tax bracket, presumably, because you have some Social Security and whatnot. All right, that doesn't mean you're paying $22,000 in taxes, but you're going to be paying 5 figures of taxes for sure. And you're like, but I don't have any other money. Yeah, exactly, which means your account is being reduced significantly due to taxation. Anyway, this is huge, man. Take advantage of it, baby. All right, love to hear your thoughts. See ya.